Namaste. We see a lot of children here. Why is it important to expose children to nature? In a natural environment, here you are relaxed best, and there is a level of intensity that is built up. You can connect with everything better. You can relate better because there is no reinforcement of your image. See, most of us feel constrained by the society that we live in because we need to constantly reinforce an image and keep up the image. And that is not a very easy thing. Now, when that is the case, we need some space where we can be free of images. And nature is the best place for that. It helps you relax and connect with you at such deep inner spaces, with your deep innermost core, which is the source of all image formation. And hence you can form images the way you see fit. Form a self-image that you see fit and paint. The canvas is so vast that you can paint your life the way you see fit. And generally we, now in regular urban spaces, many children and many youth gets bored with routine. And boredom happens, when boredom happens, your creative juices don't flow. Your creativity is impaired. Your physical strength, no expression for physical strength, no expression for emotional breadth, and no expression for cognitive depth. All of these are directed in very unidimensional pathways. And that's why many people, many young people and many children who are inherently creative, they feel completely constrained and over a period of time completely bored and dead. Now in a natural environment, there is no such restriction. And over a period of time, you'll be alive to your sensory input. You'll be alive to what is happening within you, your emotional process, your cognitive process become refined. And that's when you bloom as an individual. You are at your creative best. You're emotionally expansive. And you experience your cognitive depth. And that is available to every human being. And hence when children are taken, at least when children live in urban spaces, it's very important for children to be exposed to hikes or natural trails, taken to Himalayas or for a trek or into a forest or in a natural setting. That becomes very, very important to give them a context for deeper exploration and for them to bloom as a full individual, a full human being. And that is the greatest gift that elders can give to a child who's growing up, to a youth who is, reimagining himself or herself.